Student Union, Karbi Student and Youth Council, Karbi Farmers Association, and others organizations. Regarding the border issue, just recently which flood on social media and other social platform. So we all the organization have discussed regarding the press statement. So we came to the point. We have written the statement. So the statement is that we have been closely observing the development of situation along West Karbi Anglong, Assam, Meghalaya border since the meeting of the Chief Minister of Assam, Meghalaya on July 23, 2021 in Shillong. A joint press conference was addressed by Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, CM Assam, and Mr. Congrats Sangma, Chief Minister Meghalaya after the meeting. In the joint press conference, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma, Assam, said, in view of the contradictory state, it is important to resolve this dispute in a spirit of give and take. We also come to a common understanding that now we need to travel beyond status quo. This statement has sent wrong message to the people of Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong and even to the people of Meghalaya. It has been construed by the general public that Block 1 and Block 2 would be given to Meghalaya in exchange of area adjoining Guwahati Khanapara. We strongly oppose the idea of give and take and urge the government of Assam to act law to protest the constitutional boundary of the state. We are concerned about the mounting tension in area along the border, particularly in and around Umlafer. As appeared in a section of media following the joint press conference, there have been 3 instances of a section public with police personnel from Meghalaya intruding into areas within West Karbi Anglong. The recent one was on the 25th of August 2021. We strongly condemn have been potential cause of a serious law and order situation in the area. We appreciate the Assam police and the general public of the area for hurting on imminent law and order situation. It is shocking and infuriating that the